Hello everyone, it's Helen from Journaling Planet. Today I'm going to be making some collage strips out of old magazine using some products I've been sent by a craft company that I'll admit I'd never heard of before, Easy Craft Art. They approached me on Instagram and asked if they could send me some products for the channel so that I could test them out and show you guys what they're like in real time. I was very happy to do that. I just underlined to them that what they sent me needed to be in line with the channel's ethos, which was, no plastic stickers, really. That's what it comes down to, avoiding plastics whenever we can. Obviously, anything you buy comes wrapped in plastic, but I already have ways of reusing plastic boxes and bags in my crafts for windows and such. So that's all okay. But the crafts themselves are very eco-friendly, or as eco-friendly as crafts get these days. So I'm just going to quickly have a look at what I've got, because even though I selected some of these things myself, I don't know what they look like in real life. So I will just quick look through the boxes and go straight to the ink stamps. Are you surprised? So this is what these ink stamps look like when they're printed. Let's have a little look. Okay. We're ready for your invasion at Hastings. I'm sorry, I'm just laughing about that because my husband was a historian. He would have thought that was very funny. In fact, he may have even tried to steal that stamp off me. Those are gorgeous. I have another ink stamp. This was all, by the way, for $35. I couldn't believe how much came. It's one of the things that I'll say about this company. I had no idea that craft companies existed that did things this cheaply. That's a gorgeous floral wooden stamp. Oh, another stamp. You can tell I chose some of these things. Eiffel Tower on it, another trademark thing for me. These were only a few dollars each, and this one comes with a little mini ink pad. Yellow. Okay, what are these? They're little stickers, but they're not crucially plastic stickers. They're backed on paper. And they're all these little labels. You know I'm going to be using these in my collage strips. Look at those. Those are gorgeous. Oh, it's very difficult to resist a mushroom, isn't it? That's really cute. The washi tape. Oh my God. I'm going to have to put some of this in my hoardy book where I hoard everything that I love because it's so beautiful. These ones, I don't know what's in these ones. I know I picked some of these things out. Oh boy. Look at those. You all know from that tutorial that I did on making my own vintage postal ephemera, the first day cover, that I am obsessed with postal ephemera. Oh my, I mean, they're just absolutely gorgeous. And then I ordered some papers, because I don't really buy craft paper myself. So I thought, well, since somebody is sending me it, I will see what kind of papers they have. And they're gorgeous, kind of faux book pages, kind of fairy tale inspired. I have lots of craft paper from when I used to hoard things and never craft. So that's why I haven't bought any craft paper since I started the channel. But if I was going to buy some, I mean, if I saw this, I would have to cave, because fairy tales are very much my jam. This one is another antique bookstore inspired. It's like a fake menu, room service. These are adorable. Again, it's so rare that I buy craft paper, but if I saw these, I would 100% cave and add them to my little papers collection. Yes, I have a little papers collection for things that are not 12 by 12 or 6 by 6, but smaller than that, or different dimensions to that. And then let's have a look at this last bit. Oh my gosh, it's like a dictionary page. Mary Magdalene, that's really cool. And that's Christmas. Might have to save that one for a different project. Maybe we'll do some saints on this project. So that's the papers, the stamps, the stickers, the washi. So I'm going to get started on this project. I've got this old magazine. I have so many old magazine pages that need using up. And this one I thought was a good dimension to do some collage strips. I'm going to masterboard it this way round, but when I cut it up, I'm going to make long strips and cut it up that way. So I'm really excited about this. I love all the things that I've been sent. And I'm going to start playing on the magazine page. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, but still leave it slow enough that you can see what I'm up to. The first thing I'm going to do is layer down some paper. Okay, that is looking very cute and decidedly not like an old magazine page anymore. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this washi tape that I was sent. And I'm going to layer it with some of these lovely stickers as well. So that's going to be the next step. And then I'm going to look at some stamping. I'm going to start with this gorgeous postage mark stamp with the Eiffel Tower on it and start making some marks. I'm going to add some other stamps as I go. This is really going to be the last layer before I chop it up. I may consider putting some watercolour on after that. We'll see how we go. Okay, I'm going to let that watercolour and glue all dry and then I'm going to come back, cut it up and show you my finished result. So here's what we're working with in the finished strip. A lot of texture, a lot of detail. That's one of them. And again, it's a lot of lovely texture and detail. These could be very easily made into tags, belly bands, added for embellishment on the corners or borders of a page. You can make little pockets out of them. Really, the world's your oyster. For pockets, you might be thinking they're a bit narrow, but you would just turn them that way and just trim a bit off. And that would make a very nice pocket like that. Now, one thing I didn't use in this project, and I was not told that I had to use every single last piece that I was sent, but I didn't use these. But I can see so many applications for these in my junk journal. I do think obviously they'd make just gorgeous journaling cards as is, but also I think the key use I would put them to is just put some glue around 3 sides and make a pocket or a tuck, a side tuck like that. I hope this video has given you some inspiration. I hope you've enjoyed watching me play with these lovely things that I've been sent. Definitely worth checking out the link to see if there's anything there that you'd like to get for yourself. You know, ink stamps are the kind of things that you can use over and over again. Craft paper, if you don't have much in your stash, if you're just starting out, it is a reasonably priced website to go and have a browse through. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next video.